How to check if you've been blocked on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to tell if someone has restricted you from contacting them. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. After that, tap on the search icon at the top. From there, type in the username of the person you think may have blocked you. At this point, if their profile doesn't show up at all in the search results, that's one sign you may be blocked. In the next step, check your chat tab and look for any previous conversation you had with them. Following this, if the chat is still there but you can't send new messages or messages show a single checkmark without ever updating to delivered, that's another sign. Once done, check your friends list to see if their name still appears there. From here, if they've completely disappeared from your friends list and you can't find them in search, blocking is the most likely reason. At this stage, keep in mind they may have also just deleted their account or changed their username, which can look similar to being blocked. Keep in mind, Snapchat doesn't send any notification when someone blocks you, so these are the only indirect ways to check. Finally, if you're still unsure, try asking a mutual friend to check if they can still see that person's profile normally. And that's it. If this guide helped you check if you've been blocked on Snapchat, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.